Hi, I'm Laurnie L. Tagle, 24 years old from Batch 11, 2022. Since I was a child, dream ko na maging pilot, and one of my biggest fans and inspiration is my lola. Never siyang naubusan ng ipagyayabang when it comes to my achievements. It's always, ang galing naman ng apo ko, yung apo ko magpipiloto. Tuwing pupunta ako ng Manila, lagi siya nagtatanong kung magpapalapit ka na. Sabi ko, kahit for ground school lang, sabi ko, Lola, pupunta po ako for ground school pa lang. Parang mas excited pa siya palagi kesa sa akin. Fast forward to February 14, my first flight. Ang pinakahihintay na araw ng lola ko. Right before my flight, ni-remind ko lang yung sarili ko na I just wanna enjoy my flight. Gusto ko i-feel yung moment. Medyo mixed emotions kasi pagbaba ko ng aircraft, hindi ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko pala yun. And ayun, I just had fun. Unfortunately, she wasn't there to witness my first flight. And ang mas masakit, pati yung mga kasunod na flights, hindi niya na rin makikita because she died a month before. To my lola, I know you're still seeing everything. Alam ko na pumapalakpak ka sa bawat landings ko, smooth man or hindi. Naniniwala ako na ikaw yung isa sa mga gumagabay sa akin. Thanks for keeping me safe. Hindi ka man makapagmayabang dito, alam kong pinagmamayabang mo ako dyan sa heaven. Lola, I promise to make you proud in everything that I do. Lola, lagi kang gagalingan.